In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize the Google Analytics landing page report. The landing page report in Google Analytics shows you the very first page people see when they arrive on your site. It's perfect for understanding which pages attract qualified visitors and which ones need attention. Let's open it first. In the left navigation, go to Reports, then Engagement, and select Landing Page. You'll see a table of pages with metrics across the top. Start by customizing what you're looking at. Use the search bar above the table to isolate a subset of pages. For example, if you want to focus on your store, type "Our Store." If you're investigating a campaign, search for its parameters. To get precise, open the filter options, choose the match type, and set it to Contains so you can capture variations. Then enter the term you want and apply it. This trims the table to the pages that matter for your analysis. Next, add context to each row. Click the plus sign above the table to add a secondary dimension. Choose session source, medium, to see which channels, like organic search or paid, are sending traffic to each landing page. Alternatively, pick device category to check whether performance differs on desktop, mobile, or tablet. This is a quick way to connect pages to acquisition and behavior in one view. Now, don't just sort by views. Focus on the metrics that actually indicate impact. Sort by key events to see which landing pages are driving conversions such as purchases or signups. Then look at average engagement time. Higher numbers suggest visitors are reading or interacting rather than bouncing quickly. Engagement rate is also crucial. It shows the percentage of sessions that lasted more than 10 seconds, included a conversion, or had multiple page views. A high engagement rate often signals content market fit for that audience. Finally, if you have e-commerce or value tracking set up, sort by total revenue to understand which landing pages are contributing the most monetarily. If you want to go deeper on a single page, select that row and use View Key Drivers. This feature highlights the factors most associated with that page's performance so you can spot what's helping or hurting outcomes without manual guesswork. It's especially useful after adding a secondary dimension, because you can connect drivers back to channels or devices. As you work, keep context in mind. Outliers with tiny sample sizes can look amazing or terrible. Check that the traffic volume is meaningful. Also, compare like with like. Pages with different intents, such as blogs versus product pages, will naturally perform differently. That's it. By filtering to what matters, layering in the right dimensions, and prioritizing the metrics that reflect real value, you'll turn the landing page report into a decision-making machine.